Cosmo 555.
I finished the video. Please watch it. Hopefully more to come. Right, Casper? Okay, enjoy.
I don't like this one.
Oh, yeah, put that back.
I do want to do big rugs in the future, but this is more for practice.
Chippo. Okay. Okay. Chippo's first whipped cream experience. Can you sit? Yes, good. Sit. Yes, pop. Yes, other pop. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna clean the art room. It's been messy for the past month because of cons, and also I was traveling for the holidays. Yeah, I just want to clean it up so I can start redecorating it and replacing all the furniture here, and then I want to redo this wall. Also I need to make room for more inventory, so let's get started. Okay, so for sure it is cleaner, but still need to like get rid of small things here and there, but it's looking good, and I'll probably work on this more some other day. Weirdo. Shippo, leave it. Shippo, leave it. Leave it. So, fun fact, Shippo is afraid of the toaster. So, we try not to use the toaster, but when he's on a walk, so if someone else walks him, then the other person will toast their bagel or their toast. Also working while I make brekkie. Just how I like it.
Just how I like it.
It's rainy today. That means you can't spray.
Practice carving and shaving today.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
You know what?
I can see how these, like, vlogging your breakfast routine is kind of nice. Feels like you have company while you make food. Ta-da! Shippo, you're so cute. You're so cute. Hello. Shippo. Boop. My cutie. Lately, I've been in this weird existential crisis with my art of like, why am I making art? Is my purpose on earth just to make cute things? And then work has been busy as well, using a lot of critical thinking. So I think after work, I don't really feel like making art anymore. I'm just kind of sitting there being like, what should I do? So that's why I cleaned the studio yesterday. It was kind of mindless, wasn't really like creating anything, but it's something that I've always wanted to do. And today I'm gonna work on Patreon. It is art related, but usually I don't really like doing tedious tasks. Hi, Shippo. But I think I understand now why people enjoy doing like repetitive things. I think you're able to be productive, keep your body going, but your brain can kind of shut off. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Just kind of relax and work on Patreon, which is something I need to do anyway, but I'm gonna pack orders. Interested in this new rug. Oh, that's a staple. I think another thing is talking in front of the camera has always been very daunting to me, which is kind of weird because I used to make vlogs for my friends, like just private vlogs, and then I stream, like I streamed for a year straight, and then I've been pretty, you guys can't see, but he's like in my pocket. I mean, I've been streaming inconsistently for the past 2 years, but like I talk in front of a camera pretty often. So I was just thinking to myself, like, why does making YouTube videos feel harder? But I think it's because I try to curate it and filter a bit too much. So just gonna try to be really raw, work in progressy with these videos. I think another thing is like I don't talk loud enough, and I'm like very conscious of video quality and audio quality and editing quality. So that's another reason why people don't make videos, is there's just all these things, right, that go behind the scenes, but maybe let's not care about those things. Come on. Yeah. So, crazy thing, I'm getting married tomorrow. That's so weird to say. We're doing it at a courthouse, so it'll be official. The wedding itself will probably be later in the year. So I'm kind of nonchalant about it, and the best way I can describe it is, you know how when you give someone, when you receive a gift and then you're like, oh my gosh, thank you, but maybe it's not the reaction that the other person giving you the gift was expecting, And maybe it's just because you're not very good at reacting or expressing yourself. I feel like that's me. That's me right now. So if I seem nonchalant, it's because of that analogy. But in reality, I am very happy and I do love him. So yeah. Shepard does this thing where if he wants you to hold something for him, he'll just drop it right in front of you. But he always knows to ask. Saying that Best Buy fit. Turn around. Yeah, I know. I know you can't go past the barrier. It's 1 a.m. and Nori's waiting for us to go to bed so she can go to bed. So I have a lot of deadlines, but I got carried away with painting, and that piece, I think I need to do it in the daytime so I can see the whites. This one, I want to do a tribute to the cats, so I'm gonna draw them on the cat tree. But yeah, I should be writing my book, but here I am. You know how it is.